Yo, good evening, guys. So today we'll be taking your first ethical hacking course using your smartphone. Okay, now ethical hacking using your smartphone, you will be using your smartphone. Yeah, 9 minutes. You can use your smartphone for a lot of hacking attacks. You can do a lot of hacking attack. You can crack password. You can even use your smartphone to hack it on the smartphone. Yeah, and then 9 minutes. So now you need some setup before you can able to start doing this attack. So the first time is the app. The app we call it termux emulator. Call it termux emulator. This app here, and recently the app has been removed from Play Store because Play Store doesn't take all those kind of things. And then let me show you how you can download the app. So you go to your Google, go to Google, now type F Droid Termax. When you type F-Drive Termax, you click on the first link. It will send you the but I will not be showing you how to do but I believe all of you can do this. So I'll go back and then now we'll open the app. Like in my first video where I took my time to explain the introduction to hack, what is hacking, the type of hackers we have, and the type of attack. So in this video, I'll just show you how to type the command using the hacking. That's just the command there. Using this terminal simulator and the color Linux is similar. So if you master the commands of this one, you don't have problem. So you go to your terminal simulator and then the first thing I'll type is clear. As you guess, yeah, you guess right. What this would do, it will clear my what the returns here. So if I type clear everything will go. Now on that last video I was saying that the ls, like you all know what ls means, to list all your folders and stuff. So if I type ls, you see I'll be listed. I have, then I will try to explain some of the tools I've installed. Then we will have the anon dash sms. This tool is very powerful. It is used to send anonymous SMS. Like you can be like how MTN send you message, Voda send message. Like you can also create your brand and then you'll be sent a message. And then we also have the camfish. Yeah, the camfish, like I said, we will do a lot of attack on our next video. So the camfish, as I said, is used to access somebody webcam. Like you just create a phishing link and then the person will give you like when you send the person the link and then the person click on it, you can control the webcam. Yeah, you have connected to the phone like that. And then you have the C lock. Yeah, this C lock is mostly used on a routed device. Like you can use it to unlock other devices. Like when you have you can use it to unlock other devices. That's the function of the C lock, but there is not effective like that. So we have the lazy max. This lazy max tool is more like it's a powerful tool where all the hacking tools are installed there. So now I'll use the lazy max as an example. So I'll just show you how to navigate through the terminal. So lazy max, I'm going to copy it, and then like I said, cd means change directory, not what you are thinking about, not the CD you're thinking. So you go to change directory. I'll paste there. That means I'm going to this directory. That means change directory. Now I'm now, as you can see here, that's a green. This is a lazy map. So now, like I said in the first one, like I now want to view the content of the lazy map. So what will I type? I'll just put ls, which stand for the list. So now I'm gone, and then the next I can read how to use the app, how to run the app, but I already know, but for the sake of you, I'll show you. So if I want to open this thing, so I'll copy it and then I'll cut it. Yeah, it's just like plain English language. So you cut it, then you'll be able to see what is inside. So I'll cut it and then I'll see it. So this is the instruction on how to use the tool, but I don't have that time to be wasting. So I'll just type Python and then I'll be like lazymax.com. So we got so inside this lazymax, as you can see, we have the information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web hacking, database assessment, password attack, wireless attack, reverse exploiting to sniffing and spoofing, reporting tools, a lot of tools. So now you can even install the current Linux return, the install the Linux distro. So right now you see how we can navigate through our Windows. So let me go back a bit. It's very simple. 00, I'll exit it. So now, let's say I've entered inside the living room and then I want to go back to home. So it does when you want to go back to home, just type CD and then you will not add anything. CD and then you press enter. When you are in now here, and now the next command is you want to check the folder in which you are currently in. So we type pwd, which stands for print working directory. Print working, yeah, and I have a cheat of this in PDF form. If you want to know the list, half about the commands, I have a cheat of that. You can come to my DM, I will send you the PDF. So print working that you see data slash com dot terminal fast slash home. Now I see the slash home. So if I enter into any directory here, let's say yeah, I've entered into F Society. And then if you are somebody who watch Mr. Robot video, you know what F Society is. Also like the lazy thing. It have a lot of tools for ethical for hacking, and they are very powerful. So if I enter there, so you see that I'm inside F Society now. If I print PW to print my working directory it will show me. You see, you have data slash com dot termux fast slash home slash F Society. Here is it. So it's like the F Society. You see now, let's say you have this time. Now first of all, when you open this your app, you need to do some settings to allow your termux to be connected to your phone so that you can download some tools from your termux like allow storage access from your termux to your Android phone itself. So you just start termux slash setup uh, storage. That's what you are going to type. So me, it already as the thing is already existing. So I don't like if it is you, it will come like allow and then you allow. So me, I don't know. I'll just type no and then I'm gone. So let me play it. Like if you know the meaning of play, I'm going to play it. And now our next command is now we now know the basic command using this thing. We are going to enter inside our. You see, like if you do that, you are going to see your storage and a lot of things. We also have this seeker. So I'm going to perform a simple attack here, which is you want to find a location of somebody. Want to find the location of somebody. I don't know whether I should do the location of somebody or a phishing attack, but okay, I always advise you when you have to do an attack, make sure your VPN is on because yeah, you can mistakenly make sure you have your VPN on so that you can perform this attack. Yeah, mostly I use the hack to not blast, which will help me secure my environment. So let's say I have ng yeah. And then one thing you need to know is that about this ethical hacking like this, and yeah, most people know how to post this thing. Like you created a link. If you created the link, you have to manipulate the link in such a way that when you create the link, the link cannot be accessed by anyone. It will be accessed only on your local host. Now, if you now want to host the link inside, like you want to host the link to somebody, want to send it across the internet, anybody can ask like your phishing attack link, the link you want to use it to hack into somebody webcam. So the right thing you do is that we have a tool called ngrok. Ngrok is a powerful tool for port forward. And when I say port forward, let's say your local host, you have ports 8080, then you forward it to the same you forward the same port to ngrok, and ngrok will now host it on the web for everybody to be able to access it. Now, let me dive into a simple ngrok. So we type dash slash ngrok ngrok, but don't worry, yeah, I think I have to do a tutorial on how to install the ngrok. But right now, you can start to be applying it on your local host, like you can perform the attack on your phone itself. When you think you are now getting it better, then we will now install the ngrok on inside our machine. So the protocol I want to use is HTTP, and then on the port 8080. Yeah, mostly that's the ports we use. So now you see it is like right now I'm using the VPN. I have to on my hotspot and then I'm good to go. If you're in something like this and you want to go, but you press Control and then C, which will upload the thing. So I'll clear everything. I'll clear everything now. What should we do again? This commands to the ls-l, it will give you the detail like ls, it is used for this, but the dash l to give you details about this thing, the tool or the folder. It will give you much details about the folder. That's just the day the folder was created, the day. Yeah, there were a lot of things about that. So you type clear. Mostly the commands you'll be using mostly in your this thing is the what you need to master is the cd. You have to master the cd, the pwd, and then which one? Yeah, the pwd, and then the cat, because you're using it to open a lot of tools. If you install a tool you don't know how to use it, and you open the readme.md so that you can be able to use the tool. And then so let me see ls. I wish I could perform a simple attack so that you see how the how I'm talking about the this. So now right now let me say, there are a lot of scammers online. So let's say somebody got you, somebody scamming, but you want to know the person's location. Yeah, we have the tool here, which when you send the link and you click on it, the link, the location of the person will be sent back to you. You can track the person down. So we call the tool Seeker. A Seeker. So like I said, I'll type CD and then I'll type Seeker. Now, right now I'm inside the folder. Say if I say PWD, you see like data bigger slash common password then the secret. So ls, you see this one is a Python file, so it's almost end with the secret.py. If it is a bash script, you say .sh. That is so. I'll also be doing tutorial on the programming language. Like if you want to make your hacker, if you want to think advanced, you have to know the programming language like Python and the stuff. So now, okay, now I now go to the tool. You see that .py. When you open the tool like this, and then you see something like the name of the tool.py. That's the command you use to run it. So since it's a Python file, start with Python. I start with Python 3, or you can type Python, then put seeker.py, and then you now press on enter. So now you press on enter. You will give it that this is about the person, whatever. So it will be like select a template. You select a template, whether you want it like this template means that what will the person see to click on it? Like you are trying to deceive the person, like near you, the person, it will be like people near, like the person will see that people near, see the people near, and then you see here Google Drive, see here WhatsApp, see here WhatsApp redirect, Telegram, you see Zoom, Google Recapture, custom link preview, like this page you can put your own link there. So me, I would like to use the near you. When I click the near you, I'll just type 0, which stands for the near you. Yeah. So the near you is on port now. What I was saying is that since this one is on port 8080, so the starting PHP server now, as you can see that this thing waiting for clients. That means they are waiting for me to click on the link. Now, if I type localhost 8080, so if I go here, if I put localhost, then I put okay. Now you can see access is loading. This work on my local host.